Dear children, how are you? I hope you all are well. I am Renu Saurabh, teacher of Deepdarshan Vidya Sankul. Today we are going to learn our next chapter, Movements of the Earth. In ancient times, people believed that the earth was stationary and heavenly bodies moved around it. Nicholas Copernicus, a Polish astronomer, first said that the earth spins on its own axis and moves around the sun. Thus, the earth has two types of movement, rotation and revolution. So first we are going to know about rotation. What is rotation? Earth's rotation is the rotation of the planet Earth around its own axis. Earth rotates eastward in prograde motion. As viewed from the North Pole, star follows Earth turns counterclockwise. The movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. The Earth takes about 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation. It rotates from west to east. Due to this, we see that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. You can see the Earth's rotation on this picture. Now children, we are going to learn about days and nights. The rotation of the earth causes days and nights. Due to its spherical shapes, only half of the earth receives light from the sun at a particular time. This half has day. The other half, which is turned away from the sun, is in darkness and has night. You can see in this picture also. When we are on the side of earth that is facing the sun, we have daylight. As earth continues its spin, we are moved to the side facing away from our sun, and we have night time. Let's understand the formation of day and night through an activity. For this activity, what you need to do, take a torch and a globe. Ask your friend or your parents to shine the torch on a globe. You will see that half of the globe is lighted, while the other half is not. Find out the names of two countries, each lying in the light half and dark half. Now slowly rotate the globe. What do you see? You will see that the countries which were in the lighted parts have now moved into the darkness. It means there is night time. The country which were in the dark have now moved toward the light. This shows that as the earth rotates, all places have day and night, but at different times. So kids, that's it for this video. We will learn revolution in our next video. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.